Love can be pleasing, love can be pleasing, love can be pleasure. Love can be playful, fill every day full up to the measure. It has been known to cause a fuss, thrown the best of us back on our heels. And it can be the greatest thing since young Henry's first fling with automobiles. Love can be magic, love can be tragic, love can be laughter. Love can be wild yet sweet as a child who gets what he's after. It all depends on how you play the game and on your point of view. Because love knows no rhyme or reason. Just be glad for what she sees in you.
Velkomin heim. Icelandair.